Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the red planet Mars. You know, that rusty-looking dot in the night sky. Turns out it's a cosmic wonderland full of mind-blowing wonders. We're talking colossal volcanoes that dwarf Mount Everest, ancient riverbeds hinting at a watery past, and dust storms so massive they engulf the entire planet. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts about our celestial neighbor. You ever wonder why we call Mars the red planet? Well, picture this. You're strolling across Mars, kicking up dust, and what's coating your boots? Rust, that's right, iron oxide. See, Mars is covered in this stuff, and just like your bike left out in the rain, it gives the whole planet that distinctive reddish hue. It's a bit like Mars has been holding its breath for billions of years, don't you think? Forget Mount Everest, folks, because Mars is home to a volcano so massive it puts all others to shame. Imagine a mountain so tall its base would cover the entire state of Arizona. That's Olympus Mons, a behemoth 3 times taller than Everest, and it's just sitting there dominating the Martian landscape. Makes you wonder what kind of eruption could create something so colossal, doesn't it? Ever wished upon a Martian star? Well, you might actually be wishing on a Martian moon. That's right, Mars has 2 little companions, Phobos and Deimos, zipping around it. Now, these aren't your big, bright, round moons like ours. They're lumpy and potato-shaped, like cosmic leftovers. Scientists think they might be asteroids captured by Mars' gravity, which begs the question, what other celestial treasures has Mars snagged in its gravitational net? Think our seasons are long. Try living on Mars. A year on Mars is almost twice as long as an Earth year, and guess what? Mars has seasons just like us, but they last twice as long. Imagine summer vacations stretching on for months and months, or winter, depending on your preference. But here's the catch. Those Martian seasons come with some extreme temperature swings. We're talking colder than a polar bear's nose in winter, and hotter than a furnace in summer. We've all seen dust storms, but on Mars they take things to a whole new level. Imagine a dust storm so large it covers the entire planet and rages for months on end. That's a typical Tuesday on Mars. These dust storms are so intense they can even be seen from Earth with a telescope. They're like the sandstorms you see in movies, but on steroids, and they make the planet look like a giant swirling dust bunny. Ever wonder what it'd be like to breathe on Mars? Well, let's just say you'd want to pack a serious oxygen mask. The Martian atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. That's right, the stuff we exhale. So, while you might be able to jump higher in the lower gravity, you wouldn't last long without a spacesuit. Here's a juicy Martian mystery. Evidence suggests that Mars was once a watery world, with rivers, lakes, maybe even oceans. But today, most of that water is locked away as ice, hidden beneath the surface. However, scientists believe there might be pockets of liquid water hiding underground, perhaps even harboring tiny Martian life forms. Now, wouldn't that be something? Ever dream of dunking a basketball like Michael Jordan? Well, on Mars, you could practically dunk like you're on a trampoline, see? Mars has much weaker gravity than Earth. That means you could jump almost 3 times higher and lift much heavier objects. Of course, you'd still have to contend with that pesky thin atmosphere and the lack of breathable air. Move over Grand Canyon, because Mars has a canyon that puts all others to shame. Imagine a chasm so vast it stretches across the entire United States. That's Valles Marineris, a canyon system so immense it makes the Grand Canyon look like a ditch. It's a scar across the Martian landscape, a testament to the incredible geological forces that have shaped this planet. Ever wished you had just a little more time in your day? Well, on Mars you'd get an extra half hour. A Martian day, called a sol, is only about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. That means we could almost synchronize our watches with any future Martians. This similarity in day length, along with the potential for water and other resources, makes Mars a prime candidate for future human exploration and maybe even colonization. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these facts about Mars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. The red planet holds so many mysteries, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us as we continue to explore our celestial neighbor. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and most importantly, stay curious.